Okay, I'll give you a quick little peek over here at 218 on Gander. I'm looking at it from the front, obviously. This one here has had somebody squatting in it. The outside's in good condition. It's the inside. Actually changing the locks right now. This is the inside. No.
This is not adjustable one.
So, evidently, the guy that was living in here, or squatting, decided to destroy and cut the wire wherever he could. This is the front living room. I know you're familiar with this floor plan by now. This is the bathroom off the first floor. The toilet's useless. But they took the cabinets. See another. See, they kicked the wall and they grabbed that little piece of wire. Same here. Now we're coming into the kitchen. They got all this insulation pulled out. I don't know if he was using it as a blanket or what. Pretty amazing. Pulled all the wire out. So now we're looking back over at where the kitchen sink was. You can see the plumbing at the bottom's cut. They took the sink, took the piece of cabinet from here, the uppers, the lowers, you name it. Looking back, I guess effectively this would be the dining room area. That's the rear glass door. All this insulation, it's just, Regardless, we're securing the place so he cannot return. The basement is, because of no sump pump, the basement's a mess. Pried the panel open. Furnace is gone, and like I said, the sump pump. All the wires are cut. Let's see. You can see it cut up there. Yay. Alright, going back up. I mean, this is disgusting. Feces. This is the stairway to the upstairs. Coming into the rear bedroom. again to get a little bit of wire. That glass is broke on the outside. It's amazing, the destruction. This is a look out the back window. It's a sunny day here today. You can see a couple of the other properties. That one that I'm kind of trying to center there. That's another one of ours that they're getting ready to clean up. The grass is just like a hay field, so take a little longer. Got to close that back sliding door up over there. All right. This is that second bedroom off the second floor. This could be his bedroom. I have no idea. Absolute mess. This is a closet. That might be the gentleman that's staying here. 6, 5, 10. Or was staying here. Look at how they just take that little bit of wire just for a little bit of scrap. This is the bathroom. Second floor. Got nice cabinets and everything. Somebody's clothing. Finally, the front bedroom. Yeah. That says it all, I think, right there, that picture. That video right there. It's amazing. You know, sometimes squatters aren't a bad thing, but when they start doing this stuff, that's a problem. Not sure who that is. I'm going to try to actually take some of these clothes and stick them on the porch. But, okay, that's it for over here.